Ribbon quilt patterns are a beloved choice among quilters, offering elegance and movement to any project. These patterns feature flowing lines and graceful curves that mimic the fluidity of ribbons, creating eye-catching designs that are sure to impress. What makes ribbon quilt patterns so special? Their unique visual appeal lies in the way they combine simplicity with sophistication. The interweaving ribbons create a sense of depth and dimension, adding interest to your quilt without overwhelming complexity. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced quilter, there's a ribbon pattern that's perfect for your skill level. Let's explore some of the best free ribbon quilt patterns available. The Ribbon Box Quilt offers a modern twist on the classic basket weave design. This charming pattern works well for toddler quilts, lap quilts, or as a striking wall hanging. It's a printable pattern, making it easy to reference as you work. For those seeking a bit more challenge, the Ribbon Weave Quilt pattern is an excellent choice. This intermediate level project creates a stunning interwoven effect using the Natural Blooms fabric collection. The finished quilt measures 82 inches square, making it perfect for a bed cover or large throw. If you're looking for a scrap-friendly option, consider the Ribbons Quilt pattern from Jordan Fabrics. This design uses lighter to darker fabrics in the same hue to create a beautiful gradient effect. The finished quilt measures 50 by 63 inches, ideal for a cozy lap quilt or small bed cover. For quilters who enjoy working with pre-cuts, the Ribbons pattern by Elise Leah is an excellent choice. This 10-square friendly design creates a vibrant and dynamic quilt that measures 59 by 71.5 inches. The intricate pattern mimics the flowing movement of ribbons, resulting in a visually stunning effect. Ribbon quilt patterns offer endless possibilities for creativity and personal expression. Whether you prefer bold, contrasting colors or subtle tonal variations, these patterns provide a beautiful canvas for your fabric choices. The flowing lines and graceful curves of ribbon quilts add a touch of elegance to any room, making them perfect for both modern and traditional decor. Ready to add some ribbon-inspired beauty to your quilting projects? With these free patterns at your fingertips, you're all set to create a stunning quilt that showcases your skills and personal style. Want more ribbon quilt patterns to add a touch of elegance to your quilting projects? Tie together a beautiful collection at ilovequiltingforever.com. Happy quilting!